Consistency isn't just a habit, it's a rebellion. A refusal to let laziness, doubt, or fleeting emotions dictate your destiny. Every time you force yourself to show up when you're tired, when you don't feel like it, when the world screams quit, you're not just building discipline, you're forging a version of yourself that fears no challenge. This is how legends are made, not by grand one-time acts, but by the relentless daily grind that others aren't willing to endure. You want success, then fight for it every single day. No excuses, no compromises. Just you, your will, and the unstoppable force of repetition. The road to greatness is paved with the stones of consistency. Lay yours down, one day at a time, and watch as your stubborn persistence turns dreams into reality. Now go, be relentless. Consistency is the fire that forges unbreakable strength. The silent daily battle between who you are and who you are determined to become. It's not about motivation, it's about grit, raw determination, and the refusal to surrender to weakness. Every time you push through exhaustion, every time you choose discipline over comfort, you are carving your destiny with your own hands. The world doesn't reward talent. It rewards those who refuse to quit, those who keep going when every fiber of their being screams to stop. This is your war. Every day, and every time you show up, you prove to yourself that you are stronger than your excuses, tougher than your fears, and more relentless than the obstacles in your way. The pain of discipline is temporary. The regret of quitting lasts forever. So rise, repeat, until consistency becomes your armor and success has no choice but to bow before your unstoppable will. Now go out there and make your life undeniable. Consistency is the silent battle cry of champions. The unshakable rhythm of those who refuse to be ordinary. As Aristotle said, we are what we repeatedly do. Excellence is not an act, but a habit. This is your truth now. Every drop of sweat, every late night grind, every no to distraction is a brick in the foundation of your legacy. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, but they were laying bricks every damn hour. When fatigue whispers, just rest, you roar back. Not today. Because the difference between who you are and who you want to be lies in those brutal, beautiful moments when you choose discipline over comfort. As Rocky Balboa said, it ain't about how hard you hit, it's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. So move forward always, until consistency isn't just what you do, it's who you are. And when you look back, you won't see a path of luck, but a trail of blood, sweat, and unbreakable will. Now go build your empire one relentless day at a time. Think about Michael Jordan, cut from his high school basketball team, told he wasn't good enough. But he didn't just accept it. He weaponized consistency. While others slept, he trained. When doubters laughed, he worked harder. 500 missed game-winning shots, to most failure. To him, fuel. I've failed over and over again in my life, and that is why I succeed. That's the power of relentless repetition. Every early morning, every extra rep, every refusal to quit compounds into greatness. Your journey is no different. The world will try to break you with setbacks and distractions.